drummer please. We're baking banana bread. Okay, yes. I was just about to say, why am I saying we? I'm baking, but I forgot you guys are with me, so let's get on with the video. I know I will have a hard time finding an area to put my phone at because it is not good, but we will see what we do. And at this point I am just giving up because I need to get me a proper camera and I need to get me a tripod so I can just place my camera, because right now I'm gonna have a big like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm gonna have a difficult time finding a spot where to place my phone at. But we'll see how this video works out. Oh. I don't know how you guys will see how I do it, but I'll probably tell you what to do and then I'll show you, like, you know. So, firstly, you will need 3 bananas, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, melted butter, and 1.5 cups of flour, and baking powder and vanilla essence. Vanilla essence is temporary, but if you want, you can add vanilla essence. But I won't be adding baking powder because I bought self-raising flour, which was honestly a mistake, but we're just gonna have to use the self-raising flour.
What do you mean? How? How have you? Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it.
That's why I'm not going to put in baking powder because the flour already has baking powder in it. But let's go. Here's 3 ripe. Okay, it's not ripe bananas, but it is totally okay. 3 bananas. Let's just peel it and throw it into the bowl that you'll be using. My bowl right here, and then you just smash it. Let me show you guys. That's how your crushed banana should look nice. And yes, now you guys can add any ingredients. Like, you don't have to add it in order because it tastes the same. But right now we need the flour. So 1 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of flour. Okay, it turns out it's normal flour, so you will need the baking powder, but I'll most definitely show you guys what to do about it. So here I have my flour. We need 1.5 cups of flour. Last time I used 1. I'm throwing it into the base. Last time I literally used what did I use? I forgot. I used 1 whole cup of melted butter, and it was a bit soft in the inside, but it still tasted nice though. But yeah, I have it right in there. Now you don't have to mix right now, guys. Honestly, I won't need this anymore. So into the sink. Okay, we have. Now we'll need 1 cup of milk, sorry, and 1 apple. We have our sugar. Oh, the baking powder. I forgot. One teaspoon baking powder. Okay, here, 1 teaspoon. Into the mixture you go. Okay, now melted butter. I'm just throwing it in here. I think that will be enough. While we wait, let's crack our 2 eggs. Okay. Into the mixture. I'll show you guys how to crack the eggs. Supposed to add the sugar first. Let's do the sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Sugar into the mixture. And our 1 cup of milk. For those asking why we use butter instead of oil, why we use butter, we use it instead of oil because we don't want to use oil. I'm gonna show you how to throw in the vanilla essence because I feel like a lot of people get confused when throwing it when using vanilla essence. They don't know how to measure it, how many additional I just throw in drops. So if I add more than that, it's still be okay. Also, we'll be mixing when we throw it. If you feel like it's too like waterish, you can add more flour in. So I'm gonna add more flour in, but it's if you guys don't wanna add more flour in, that is totally okay. You guys don't have to add more flour in. I just feel like I'm gonna add more flour in. So I won't show how I mix it because I already showed how I mix it, but that's how it's supposed to turn out. Well, that's how it's supposed to look. I know this is making so much more now, but yes, and then wait, I feel like there was something like a black thing, but it's okay. Here we go. Now it is totally. Now I cleaned up my erasers. There it is. What is this even? Oh, it's the banana. It's the thing from the banana. There's like a little black thing, but it's from the banana. I'm guessing. our base is finished now. We preheat the oven 180 something. You guys know 180 degrees, something like that. And I'll show you guys. Just hold on. I have this cake tray, whatever it is, and I have a piece of parchment paper. I'm not sure how it will be, but we'll just have to see. And if let me see if it's not like if it's a very fit. But yeah, I did use this last time to bake it, and it worked well. So see, fit. Now we're going to throw our base in. It's tasty. Just like banana.
Nice.
While my oven is getting hot, I'm going to quickly do the dishes, and then once it's like, you know, nice and hot, and then I'll place it in, and then we wait for 50 minutes, basically an hour. Guys, I kind of made a mistake while explaining to you. It's not 50 minutes because it's literally ready, but not 50 minutes. You don't. I'm gonna be honest, I did not leave those things in for 50 minutes. So don't leave it in for 50 minutes. Hopefully you guys watch this video till the end. Every time you open it up, let's say after 15 minutes, you take it, I think 15 minutes, but like take it out and then use even if you use like a fork and then just poke through. And if you feel like it's not lumpy inside, then you take it out. I'm gonna show you guys right now how it has to look if it's ready. I'll show you guys now. And that's simply how it is. I won't cut it, but because I have to let it cool down before I can cut it. But I'll probably add like clips of me eating and something like that. So yeah. Finally done. I cut it like into pieces. So let me show you guys the texture. Great, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my little cooking show. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you guys don't miss out on any other videos. Bye.